Hybrids can be tougher on tensioners and belts than vehicles with only internal combustion. Some of these belt drive systems are required to operate in two different modes. The first is the standard mechanical mode, where the engine provides the energy to run the belt, and the second is an electrical mode, where the battery provides energy to the belt. If the belt slips due to insufficient friction with the pulleys, it can result in premature belt wear and noise. But too much tension can result in a loss of efficiency. It is a careful balancing act that requires unique engineering. It is also about managing during sudden changes in engine load. Hybrids have what engineers call transient cycles between modes when the engine and electric motor trade duties. These modes put a lot of stress on the belt and tensioner, much higher than an AC compressor engaging. These types of hybrid systems can be called a mild hybrid or MHEV. Litens hybrid drive tensioners are specifically designed for the unique challenges of these hybrid vehicles. These hybrid tensioners address two key issues: managing the varying torque demands of electric motors and gasoline engines, and maintaining optimal belt tension throughout rapid mode changes. One type of tensioner is the Litens patented alpha tensioners that feature two arms with distinct functions. The running arm operates on the slack side during regeneration and grounds during boost, while the motoring arm stays engaged on the tight side. This bistable design ensures efficient power transfer and minimizes belt slip by putting as much of the belt in contact with the motor generator as possible. This unique feature biases the tensioner arm against a stop during steady state and regen modes, minimizing damping and wear. When boost torque exceeds a set threshold, the arm seamlessly engages to provide the necessary tension. Also, inside the tensioner is a shock-absorbing polymer and a spring with a progressive rate. This patented technology ensures smooth, quiet transitions, while rigorous testing guarantees optimal performance under any hood.